This is Dan at Cardboard Hobby. We are cracking 2021 Gold Rush Trifecta Football Series 2 1-box eBay break, October 25th, 2021. I'm going to read off eBay usernames with team names. We've got Isaiah 1103 with the Titans and Eagles. Merricker with the 49ers, Steelers, and Seahawks. MAHILTIBRAN_0 with the Redskins. 2010 BER45 with the Buccaneers. Butchweed 1283 with the Jets. MESSAL_70 with the Giants. MAHILTIBRAN_0 also with the Saints. DY Barrow_0 with the Patriots. Jarrett 0814 with the Vikings. Battleship 706 with the Ravens and Chargers. J Loudon 1 with the Dolphins. Mr. Davey 25 with the Rams. Boston-John with the Raiders. Steel City 512 with the Chiefs. TEZ Bay with the Jaguars. Lena Legend with the Colts. DAHA_44355 with the Texans. J Fulmer 21 with the Packers. MO Sports Cards 11 with the Lions. D Laker 1 Broncos. Ed Cards 5 Bears Bengals. Baker 26208 with the Cowboys. Indy_9839 with the Browns. MESSAL_70 also with the Panthers. 2 Bears 68 with the Bills. MESSAL_70 Falcons. D's_87 Cardinals. Should be right. Yep, looks good. Okay. That is your full lineup. All right, we've got your box here. 2021 Gold Rush Trifecta Football Series 2. We got 3 autograph memorabilia pieces in here. We got an autograph jersey, autograph mini helmet, and an autograph 16 by 20 photo. So pretty big box here, guys. All right, so bear with me here while I open the box, and we'll see what we got in here. So we got 3 pieces coming out of here. Here we go. Good luck, everybody. Packaging coming out. Okay, so I'm going to slide it over just a little bit here so we can get our mini helmet and our jersey, which are right here now. The mini helmet and jersey are right there. And I'm going to see if I can get this photo out of here real quick. These can be a little tough to get out. That one came out smooth. Okay, good. Alright, empty box there. Our photo's right there. Okay, so let's go ahead and get to it here and see what we've got. First things first, on our autograph mini helmet, we have an Eclipse alternate. And that is the Bengals. There is your auto. Beautiful looking helmet there. Ken Anderson. Ken Anderson autograph mini helmet for the Bengals. JSA certification there. So the Bengals on the board. Bengals owned by Ed Cards 5. Congrats. Very nice Ken Anderson autograph mini helmet. Bengals. All right, our jersey. Oh my. Wow, is that nice? Yeah, that's a beauty. There's your auto. Beckett COA. That is Mr. Bo Jackson for the Raiders. How about that? Beautiful autograph jersey. Bo Jackson, Raiders. Boston-John. Congrats. Beauty. Bo Jackson. Congrats. Beautiful autograph jersey there, Raiders. Okay. And now we've got our photo. So let's go ahead and get our photo open. All right. Autograph photo. Here we go. Oh, wow. That's nice, too. Does that look really? That looks beautiful. How about that one right there? How about that? The Bucks. Beautiful. Mr. Antonio Brown. Mr. Antonio Brown. Beautiful photo there. Buccaneers owned by 2010 BER 45. Beautiful. Antonio Brown. Autograph photo. It's a beauty. Wow. That's so beautiful looking. Congrats. Beautiful Antonio Brown. So we have the Buccaneers Antonio Brown autograph photo. 16 by 20. We had your autograph Ken Anderson mini helmet for the Bengals. Eclipse alternate. Very sharp helmet, by the way. And we also had your beautiful Bo Jackson autographed jersey for the Raiders. So, an absolute beautiful break there, guys. I want to thank everybody so much for breaking. I really, really do appreciate it. Cardboardhobby.com, Dugan1640 on eBay. Once again, we've got a beautiful lineup scheduled all week long, so please don't miss out on those, guys. I'll be sticking around because anybody has any questions, guys. Thank you so much for your support. Please, be smart, be safe out there.